Data management refers to the process of storing, organizing, and maintaining data in a way that makes it accessible, reliable, and secure. It is an important concern for individuals and organizations of all sizes, as data is a valuable asset that can be used to make informed decisions, improve operations, and drive business growth. Effective data management involves several key tasks. Data acquisition. This involves collecting data from various sources, such as customer transactions, market research, or social media. Data storage. Data needs to be stored in a way that is accessible, reliable, and secure. This can involve using a database management system or a cloud-based storage solution. Data organization. Data needs to be organized in a way that makes it easy to retrieve and analyze. This can involve using metadata tags and creating a logical structure for data storage. Data security. Data needs to be protected from unauthorized access and breaches. This can involve using encryption, secure servers, and other security measures. Data analysis. Data needs to be analyzed in order to extract insights and make informed decisions. This can involve using statistical software or other analytical tools. Effective data management is essential for individuals and organizations in a variety of industries, as it allows them to make the most of their data assets and drive business success. It is important to regularly review and update data management practices to